Omo, YouTube don finally hear small creators cry yo. From July 15th, if you get 500 subscribers like this, if you start dey collect YouTube money. This one na better news for all of una wey dey use una phone dey do sharp snap, wey dey do sharp shot with your phone. You go take advantage of this one, use am blow your channel, start dey make YouTube money. Abeg make I go drink water, dey come gist you. If you never subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe both, because in this channel na we go dey tell you everything wey dey happen for YouTube, how you go fit get your channel to a higher level as e dey fly like eagle like this. In this channel na here you go dey hear as e dey happen for YouTube, when e dey laugh and when e dey cry. Come abeg, e get one issue wey dey happen for YouTube na wan call to your at ten tion, so you no go do that kind mistake o. If you dey use AI generated voice, if you dey do repetitive con ten t and also mass produce reuse con ten t, for all of una wey be say if your video no do well, you go just carry am immediately upload am again, that one now don become offense for YouTube o. If you dey do your video, if that one no gree work, make sure say you delete am, re-edit this one again, re-edit am different, give am another thumbnail o, give am another hashtag o, before you go now re-upload am. Na wetin YouTube want. YouTube no want make you dey re-upload your video, that one don dey cause wahala for YouTube o. Na wetin dem dey talk, as e dey so dey wan ban some people channel because of that thing wey dem dey do. People wey dey use AI for YouTube, people wey dey do mass production, people wey be say dem dey fit produce plenty con ten t, dey say do same thing for YouTube don dey flush them out. Abeg my brother, if you wan start dey create your con ten t, no create that kind con ten t. If you wan copy another person con ten t, if you copy and transform am, change am, turn am to be your own. If you wan do react, please make sure say you contribute well for that video, because YouTube now don put fine for those things o. Anybody wey no do like that, YouTube go just comot your channel sharp. They no dey waste time. Before na one particular video dem dey fight o, but now na all the video wey you get for your channel, if they see say you dey do anything mago wuruwuru wey no straight for your channel, YouTube go just remove your channel sharp. Na wetin I wan tell you, so that if you dey copy other people, you go dey add something. No be say you go just copy and paste. That one no work for YouTube. You wan copy, dey copy with respect o, dey put small fear if you dey copy. If you want my teach you how to copy, wey be say nobody go notice say you copy, even the person wey you copy from go come dey ask say how you take get this idea. Just type copy at the comment section, you go see me in action. You know I dey tell you, no say me I like you well, that's why I dey tell you something wey be say if you worry you tomorrow, no go come dey cry, come dey tell me say you no tell me quick. I don tell you now, go take advantage of this new YouTube monetization. Make we go see wetin dey there, so that tomorrow you no go come dey cry say YouTube don do you bad. As e dey hot na, so I dey tell you, don come back make I come gist you the better way I wan tell you. You know say before, if you wan monetize for YouTube, they go tell you say you go get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour and 10 million views in the last 90 days. Who dey get that one? But abeg, YouTube don finally come down. They come say if you get 500 subscribers, 3 long form video in the last 90 days, wetin you dey do wey you no fit do that one, and 3 million view in the last 90 days. Omo, this one don better. YouTube don do am sharp. Make I tell you wetin you go do wey go make you get this subscriber wey I dey tell you now. Wetin you go do wey go make you start dey collect YouTube money. If you dey post short, your time don shine. All of una wey dey post short con ten t, short video, wey dey use their phone dey short, you no need long form stress again to come get 4,000 watch hour. This one, if you just dey post your short like this, before you know it, you don hit this, don qualify to collect YouTube money. Wetin you go dey do? Dey post short regularly. When I mean regular, no dey post like ghost wey go post today, tomorrow you no go post. Dey post regularly. Let's say you go dey post at least 3 to 5 short every week. This one go help you go hit this thing wey dem dey talk. To get subscriber for short, go, if you be comedian, go check for trending, those things wey dey trend kpakpa, you go get your 500 subscriber. If you dey do every other thing, all you need to do, post short wey be say people go watch am, enjoy am, they go subscribe to your channel. Another thing wey you go do be say you go use good title and good hashtag, use follow am up. If you dey create short, make sure you dey use hashtag short. If na comedy side you wan do, dey use hashtag funny, hashtag Nigerian comedy. That kind thing na e go make YouTube dey carry and dey give plenty people. Before you know it, you don get the 500 subscriber wey dey talk about, get your 3 million views, and also get your 3 long form video. Abeg, another thing wey I wan make you know, abeg o, no forget to target on one particular niche o. No go dey carry all the niche for head. If you get cooking, you put am. If you get AI, you put am. If you get teaching, you put am. If you get any other one, ogbonge everything orishirishi into one package niche. You no dey work like that o. Wetin you go do, say you go pick one particular niche wey you know say you fit do. Even when I wake you up in the morning say come do am, you go fit do am. You no go stress too. Na that kind thing na you go do. You no even need ring light. All you need to do na use face your windows. This one wey I dey teach you na window me I face. I no use ring light o. As you use am like this, sharp sharp kpakpa, you don do something, carry go post for YouTube, come start dey make your money. Make I tell you this one thing, no be say when you come monetize now, you come go cross your leg, come think say you go dey use trailer dey pack money dey go your papa house. Once you monetize, you go need to work o. You go need to dey create con ten t wey be say people go dey watch finish, and as dem dey watch am finish, na that time you go come know say YouTube go dey give you. As you dey give YouTube go dey give you nyafu. Na that time you go come relax, make sure say you dey create. And abeg, I wan tell you, if you fit grow your long form video, no forget long form video one side o, because that long form video na e go help you dey get ad and other YouTube features wey fit dey add more money to your pocket. You understand wetin I dey beg? If you like as we dey speak for this channel, no forget to subscribe o, like this channel o, share this channel to other people wey be say they know they wan hear the YouTube update as e dey go nyafu. Now YouTube don do better for us, so make we take our phone, make we go hustle, dey create short anyhow dey post short wey be say e go make people laugh, people go dey watch am. Abeg, I create one short wey 100,000 views and also give me close to 900 subscribers. E take your phone come out for house, dey outside your compound. If you dey your phone, instead of you to just carry your phone dey watch other people chat, if you carry your phone dey do short kpam dey post, before you know it, you don qualify to chop YouTube money. Na wetin I wan tell you as e dey. So this channel go dey drop video every Tuesday 5 p.m, Thursday 5 p.m, and Sunday 5 p.m. Abeg, make una dey follow this channel, make una subscribe, dey like, dey share this channel to people wey be say they wan hear this tone wey I dey use. You understand me na? So abeg, my brother, try dey subscribe to that channel now before e dey late o. If you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe o. Like this channel, because na this channel go dey give you correct YouTube update, no grammar, no confusion. Na here we dey, we no dey go anywhere.